I've helped a client from Durban set up his website with his products, right? You were super impressed, super amazed that I haven't charged him. No fee, nothing, free of charge. You know, when you're doing online work, you have to do it out of the goodness from your heart, sharing, helping, serving people, at times without expecting anything in return. Just doing things, doing more than what you get paid for. That's entrepreneurship. Seizing opportunities. How can you serve? Truly care for your market, care for your people that you are assisting, helping, and guiding, right? I asked my client, do you need anything else? He said, wow, not now, but I will let you know. Right? That is how you build relationships, deeper bonds, deeper rapport. You got it. So thank you and you're welcome.